just dropping off for the service. It's been idling a bit rough in the morning and a light comes on the dash sometimes. While you're there, can you take a look at that?
Sure, no problem.
It's a common occurrence, isn't it? The old, can you have a look while you're there? I'm Brendan Sorensen, one of the directors at TaT, and what I want to show you today quickly is how we can change the way you approach these kinds of questions or change the way you approach any kind of vehicle in the workshop, really, whether it be a simple suspension squeak that you want to try and get to the bottom of, or your most difficult diagnostic electrical problem. We're your diagnostic partner. We're there to provide you with information quickly, get a diagnostic plan in under 30 seconds with our AI tech Tina, supported by tens of thousands of pieces of information that are part of your membership and accessible inside the website, always being contributed to by our thousands of members. So I mentioned our AI tech Tina. Now, she is our master tech that you have access to 24/7 to ask absolutely any question. Maybe as simple as, should I be taking on this job? What's involved in this job? Or we could be talking about a specific fault on a vehicle. So to address the customer at the start, you might cringe if we dropped off a Dodge with a rough idle when cold. We can throw that into this search, and rather than searching for keywords, which will search the entire TaT website and database, we can ask Tina. Now, this is going to search the entire database as well, but she's not looking for keywords. It's an AI. It's just context. So while she can go and look at everything out on the net, just like any other AI, she's the only one that has access to our database. And that means that she's looking at very good data. Our repair solutions are known case study fixes from vehicles, right? There's nothing there that's random stuff from a forum. She has guardrails. She knows she's a professional technician talking to other professionals. Accuracy is the utmost key in her instruction set, and she is there to take care of this research and give you direction. So pretty quickly, she's come back with a direction for you to take on this Dodge here, giving you some tips, common things on them, and she's able to search through our repair solutions. So she's come up with this one here, which we can click through to. So this gives you a look at what our repair solutions look like. They're always in the same format. We have thousands of these for all kinds of faults, and it's always growing. So it takes you from the customer complaint, which I'd say is fairly similar, a vibration and surging when cold. I'd call that a rough idle. And it goes through the diagnostic sequence, the testing that was carried out, and what the ultimate fix was, which was an intake manifold gasket. So this gives you confidence really quickly to get into that fee-based diagnostic testing with a customer. Maybe we do contact them back during the service to say, this is what we're planning to test. There will be a fee for this, but you're not going in blind. You're backed up here, and you've already got a pretty good idea of where you're heading, which makes it much easier to discuss, getting authorization for some payment to start with testing. We'll go back to the homepage here, and I just want to show you, while we're here, these repair solutions that I keep talking about. While there is a huge amount of other information that you can see in other videos to see the full extent of the membership, the repair solutions themselves. So if we go into these, you may be the kind of person that likes to drill down in them. So you can see by the numbers next to each of these, how many we've got on each manufacturer, and you could drill down into specific vehicles, specific situations that you've got, whereas we've got access to that search bar just like out the front where we can search keywords. So more commonly, I'd be coming in here and you might just have a fault code. So we could put that fault code in there. It's going to search the entire website for any repair solutions, technical magazine articles, technical assistance cases, and we might want to drill down a bit more. So let's say we've got a Mazda. So we don't want to see all the P0471s, we just want the Mazdas. We could go and look at this repair solution that we've got here, this being for a CX-5. It does have that P0471 that it's picked up. Again, the customer complaint goes through the diagnostic sequence. It's even giving you some tips on, I believe, this one here. Looks like there's a recall for the sensor and things like that. So again, a great start. But if we come out here, so you'll see that it's asking you, did you get enough? Did you get what you're looking for? If you don't have many hits that are on there, because let's face it, there's a million problems out there and sometimes it's not going to be the fix, then we could come in here and we could ask Tina, Mazda P0471, we may as well put that it's a CX-5 just to give her a chance in hell. As I say, the more that we give her, the better it's going to be. And you can go through there and you could ask Tina. Like I said, we can use this for absolutely anything. So it doesn't have to be a specific vehicle that we're asking about. You may want to learn a little bit about a system. system. You may go, how does that air suspension system in this Land Rover that's come in? I just did a service and now it's, on the lowest and I need to get it back up. We quickly go in here. There's no more calling around, oh, I think Johnny knows a bit about Land Rover. We quickly come in here. We ask her. Within 30 seconds, we're moving forward and we're making progress. So take a look at the other videos I've got that if you want to get a bit more information about some of the other bits in the website, or if you want to check out the link below, you can sign up on the website www.tat.net.au, or we can do a 7-day free trial, no obligation. Check it out, get Tina working in your workshop today, and you'll soon find how did you do without her.